The first time I got into using Binance, it was really stressful for me to get the nitty-gritty. I wish someone held my hand and made me understand this platform in the smoothest and swiftest way. You may be right now in the same boat, trying so hard to get the hang of trading on Binance. But that doesn't have to continue being that way. I am going to break these technical details in a way that even your granny can understand. We'll go over how to set up your account, revamp your security, verify your identity. We'll also learn how to buy your first crypto. We'll check into the trading fees. Binance do really offer one of the cheapest trading fees in the crypto industry. We can't forget to check on trading process, as that's the real backbone of Binance platform. The idea of passive income is really awesome, and that's what we'll be looking into with Binance Earn. All this may seem like a lot to grasp, but just remember, after this video, you'll be on your way to almost being a pro Binance user. Binance was founded in China in 2017 by Changpeng Zhao and Yi He. They both worked at OKCoin exchange before deciding to build an exchange of their own. Binance is currently based in Cayman Islands. This happened after being forced to leave China in September 2017 when the Chinese government banned crypto trading. In 2019, Binance was banned in the United States due to strict US regulations regarding cryptocurrencies. However, it then opened a subsidiary company, Binance.US, to provide US-based traders with an exchange that complies with all the regulations. Binance has its own cryptocurrency called Binance Coin, BNB. The exchange used an initial coin offering of BNB to raise $15 million worth of funding in July 2017. By watching this video on finding more ways to make money on the crypto market, I know you have a real fire within you to achieve success. That fire needs to be directed with the right mindset. I have put a well-explained summary of variety of books on finance in my Patreon page to get you the mindset you need. Find the link in the description below. In order to get started with Binance, the most obvious thing to do is to sign up first. You can grab the link in the description to sign up and get 10% discount on every trade that you make on Binance. Once you've signed up, you now need to revamp your security with Binance. You'll get this one by clicking the personalized icon on the top left corner. You go to your security. There are a number of ways that you can make your Binance account more secure. We have the passkeys and the biometrics, authenticator app, email, password, and phone. Binance most recommend that you do use the authenticator app. With the authenticator, Binance will give you some codes. You'll need to download the authenticator app from Play Store. Use the given codes to connect your authenticator app so that it will always generate you 6-digit code each and every 60 seconds. Once the 60 seconds has been passed, it will regenerate another new code. With this feature, it will now revamp your security on the Binance app so that anyone who wants to withdraw funds from your account must have those codes, and they also must have your phone so that they can now get the codes to successfully withdraw funds from your account. Password is also another way that you can also increase your security with Binance, but this one is not really much secure as compared to the authenticator. You can also use passkeys and biometrics. You can also connect your phone number with Binance so that it will always be sending you a code in order to withdraw funds from your Binance account. But this one is not really much secure because someone can do a SIM swap with your Binance account and easily withdraw funds into your account. So to make sure that your funds are always safe, you need to combine different verification methods, like you have an email, a passkey, an authenticator passphrase verification. Once your security feature is done with, you need to verify your account so that you'll now be able to withdraw funds from Binance. In order to do that, Binance will require you to upload either a national ID, passport, or a driving license. You also need to take a selfie of yourself. And finally, to have more withdrawal limits being increased for your account, you'll need to do an address verification by either sending your billing, payments, bank statement, and other documents that Binance will require you. So you need either of these ones. Once you're done with your verification, you can now buy crypto using Binance by just clicking the buy crypto icon here. Then the currency will be based on what you use. It can either be USD, Kenya shillings. As for me, it will be Kenya shillings, can be Euro, GBP. But now let's say for me it's Kenya shillings 12k, then buy USDT. That one will be $80 worth of USDT. These are the way that you can use to pay for the USDT that you are buying using Binance. You can either use your Visa card. They also accept Google Pay. Then for me, they will also accept M-Pesa, where this one is simply taking me to trade with people on the P2P platform. So this is now an order which has already been created directly using Binance by just connecting me with another trader on the P2P platform. But because now I'm not going to take this trade, I'll just cancel it. So it's very easy to make a purchase here using Binance. Just connecting your bank card, then Binance will now make that withdrawal from your bank account. Directly, the funds will get deposited into Binance, then you'll get the USDT. One thing to remember is that we are not just limited to buying USDT. In case you want to buy Bitcoin, just set the crypto token that you want to buy. Let's say we want to buy BTC. And then the same way, we now just click buy BTC. Because we have our Visa card already connected, we'll just confirm that one and then go and make the payment. Or you can as well use the Google Pay. Me being a Kenyan, I can also go and directly trade with people on the P2P platform. In case you do want to do dollar cost averaging, this simply means that you will be buying the token at interval of times. You can see there's daily, you can be buying the BTC on a daily basis, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly. Once you've automated that payment method, Binance will now be deducting the funds from your account, either from your Visa or Google Pay, on a daily basis or a weekly or a bi-weekly, or either on a monthly basis, and then buying for you BTC or whatever the crypto token that you want on the set amount that you've stated with Binance. The easiest way to trade on Binance is using the convert tool. One of the pros of using convert tool is that it will allow you to convert small amounts of token into another token. Whenever you use the trade feature, this one here, the minimum dollar value of token that you can trade using this feature is $10 worth of the token that you are going to be trading. So the best part of using the convert tool is now that it will allow you to trade tokens that their value are less than $10. So in case you have some tokens into Binance and you want to convert to a different token but the value is less than $10, you'll now be easily going to trade them using the convert tool. So let's say we go with USDT and we want to convert that one to BNB. So you can see it clearly says that you will be trading between $0.1 to $390,000. Remember, USDT is pegged 1 to 1 to dollars. It's just like trading the dollars. You'll need only 10 cents to be able to trade USDT into BNB or any other token that you do want. But now when you convert this one to ETH, you'll need at least $1. The only con of trading using the convert tool now that the slippage will be a little bit higher as compared to when you are trading on the trading panel. The trading fees on Binance are very minimal as compared to any other exchange. But do you know there's a way that you can reduce your trading fees to be even more negligible? Simply by going to the personal trading page, then you click where it says it's verified or still not yet verified. And then on the regular way it says use BNB to get discount. You go there and now have this one toggled on. When you do that, you'll enjoy 25% discount when trading on Binance. So what you need to do is now have some BNB purchased into your wallet. The BNB is now what you'll be using to pay for gas fees whenever you're withdrawing or just trading on the spot part or the futures or the margin. So these are the spot trading fees. With the maker, there's a 0.075% trading fees and the taker 0.075%. Being a maker is making a limit orders on the market whenever you want to buy or sell a crypto token. To be a taker, it simply means that you are going to be trading with the market prices. Wow, finally. This is what really took me long to understand when I started using Binance. I didn't really understand how to maneuver into this page, the trading panel. I do want you to be very keen to see what I'm going to do into this part so that you can now be able to start trading using Binance. This is like a pro level now on trading using Binance. Watch keenly what I'm going to show you, because when I started I didn't understand this part. So when you come into this trading panel, as a beginner trader, you'll be going to be trading on the spot. As you can see on the top part there, you can see there's convert, which we've already talked about. There's spot, there's margin, there's fiat, P2P, auto invest. So what you need to do once you've now transferred USDT into your account or any other token by paying using the Binance Pay, P2P, or the Google Pay, or if you transferred some crypto tokens into your hot wallet, either Metamask or Trust Wallet or hardware wallet like Ledger, Tangem, then you now want to convert that token into another token. Now what you need to do is make sure that you are on the spot part. Once you are there, you now need to choose the token that you want to trade against. We are assuming that you've transferred the USDT into your Binance account. So you need to look for that token that you want to trade with by just clicking here. Now you are going to be searching the token that you want to trade. We go with the Lion BTC. You now come here and search BTC. BTC is Bitcoin. So USDT is the stable coin that we are going to be trading with. So we have that one. We just click BTC USDT and you can see there's buy, there's sell. So we want to buy BTC. BTC is the base currency and then USDT is the quote currency. What we are going to be buying is the BTC, the Bitcoin with USDT. We are going to be using USDT to buy BTC. In case you want to sell, it means that you've already now bought BTC, then you are selling back to USDT. So when you are here, there are some features that you can use to buy this BTC. We have limit, we have market, we have stop limit, trailing stop, and OCO, which means one cancels other. So to use a limit order, it means that you're going to be choosing your own price that you want to buy this Bitcoin at. Remember, under the trading fees, I say that when you are a maker, you are going to be using a limit order. But when you use a market order, it means that you are going to be trading this Bitcoin at the price that is being shown here. This price being shown here right now, the live market, is what you are going to be taking. So to get better pricing, it's best that you use a limit order. So you can see our price has been locked at 29,846.72. So when you trade this one, immediately you'll be executed in the market because the market price is lower than your limit order. That one will automatically execute you into the market. But if you want to get a discount, you'll now need to choose a price that is lower than 0.71. So let's say we can choose 29,846.65. The price of Bitcoin will have to go lower than 0.71 so that you can now be executed into the market and finally get a discount. So that's what it simply means to trade using limit orders. In case you are selling those Bitcoins, then you will now be putting prices that are above 0.72 so that you'll get higher price. It means that you are going to be selling at a higher price that is above the market price. Let's say now we want to use the limit order. We have our USDT that we sent into Binance or we bought using the Google Pay or P2P. So it's $100. Once you put the $100, it will show you the amount of BTC that you are going to get using the price that you've set as your own limit order. Just click to buy BTC and then it will now place your order under this section. Binance will wait for the price to reach that limit order, then finally execute your trade. These prices that you are seeing here fluctuating in the market, these are limit orders for other people that are waiting to either sell or buy the BTC into the market. So in case yours is around these prices, it will also be shown here in the order book. So once you've bought your Bitcoin and now you want to sell, the same thing is just go under the sell part and then put your price. In case you want to sell now $90 worth of your BTC, or you want to sell the whole amount that you bought, just click the 100% and then you click to sell. So that's how you do it. Just make sure that you are on the spot part, know how to get the token that you want to sell, choose the pair that you have with you, either USDT or it can be TUSD, which is also a stable coin, BUSD, which is the Binance US dollar. And then once that's done, now you come to either buy or sell. You can now maneuver into the trading part using Binance. This part really took me a long period of time to really understand. But for you, I've really made it so clear so that you can easily see how to maneuver into this part. Whenever we purchase crypto tokens, we always make money when the prices do go up, which is simply capital gains. But what about when the prices don't go up? Can we still make money? Yes, of course we can. So this is by now using the Binance Earn feature, which is like having stocks that pay you dividends, but now it's under crypto world. So what you need to do is just go to the Earn part, and then we have some crypto tokens that you can actually put with Binance so that you can simply earn. Under Binance, we have the derivatives part, where people will be going to trade. They will borrow funds from Binance. By you giving Binance your crypto tokens under the earn section, it will now be paying you some dividends from those trading fees they collect from people trading on the Binance futures part. So it's just like you are now being a lender to Binance, so that they can actually also lend your money to other people who want to trade on the Binance futures trading platform. So we have here USDT, BTC, BNB, and many more crypto tokens that you can actually use to earn here on the Binance earn section. They have a variety of products that they do offer. You can go with flexible term. You can also go with dual investment, which is also fixed term. There's the DeFi staking, which is now flexible. And these are the ones, the liquidity farming, the range bound. So what really differentiates them is only the amount of interest that you'll be earning. So in case you want to earn more, you can actually take a look into the range bound, which is a fixed term. We've talked so much about depositing your funds into Binance, trading in here. It means that all this time your funds are just stuck within Binance. So how do you get your funds out of Binance? Now you have gained some profits, or you've traded the coin that you already want. Now, how do you get your funds out of Binance? What you need to do is go under the wallets, come to your spot account. Remember, the only way to withdraw your funds from Binance is have those funds on the spot wallet. Once you come to the spot wallet, we have deposit, withdraw, transfer. So you want to get your funds out of Binance, just come to the withdraw part, choose the crypto token that you want, or still, in case you have some cash with you in Binance that is being supported for withdrawals, then you can go under the cash part. But for me, I mostly do crypto part when I'm on Binance, because it's all about crypto, guys. The world is going crypto. So you need to choose the crypto token that you want to withdraw. Let's assume you have some BNB or Litecoin that you have in Binance. You've traded in Binance, so someone has sent you those tokens to Binance. So you just need to look for that coin by clicking the search part, BNB, then you have that BNB, send via network. This is part now you need to be very careful. If you're not careful, you're going to lose money. Remember that one. We have address, network, amount. BNB has different networks. We have BNB Smart Chain and BNB Beacon Chain. In case it's BNB Smart Chain, which is BEP20, we've clicked that one. You go get an address that you want to send these crypto tokens into. We choose Trust Wallet. We want to send our tokens into Trust Wallet. You need to get a BEP20 address from Trust Wallet, which is BNB. Let me show you in action. I go to my Trust Wallet, so you can see Drip BNB Smart Chain. I click BNB Smart Chain. Then I want to receive funds into this wallet. So I need to click receive and copy my address. The best way to do it is just click this copy icon so that it will copy everything. In case any number is missed, my guy, you've missed your tokens. You won't get them again. In case, let's assume you withdraw $1,000 worth of BNB from Binance, the $1,000 is gone, lost in the blockchain. So you need to make sure that none of these figures or numbers is misplaced. So just click copy, and then it will now copy the whole thing for you, paste. You see, everything copied very well. In case I remove the zero, my guy, I'm losing funds. So you can see the good part about Binance that it will auto detect for me that there's something wrong. The withdrawal address format is wrong. Please check the withdrawal address length and character content and try again. Very cool feature about Binance. It will smell something is fishy out here. But what if the platform that you're using cannot do that? So that's the essential of now making sure that you copy everything. Always confirm the first digits and the last digit that everything is okay. So I redo this one. I copy. I have it on Binance Smart Chain BEP20. Then the minimum amount of BNB that you're going to withdraw is 0.01. Binance will be charging you 0.0005 BNB. Binance, when combined with other exchanges, can offer arbitrage trading opportunities. You should take on this opportunity by learning it first in the video on end screen. By not checking out my Patreon page, you are simply saying you more than often enjoy forgetting what you read from books. I bet you are not that type of person. Click the link in the description to join and get summarized versions of books on finance, persuasion, and more.